Are you tired of temperamental actors demanding too much? Meet the AI-powered digital stars who never age or complain. Say goodbye to on-set drama and hello to AI-powered superstars. These digital actors don't age, they don't get tired, and they definitely don't complain. Imagine a flawless, ageless movie star who can perform 24/7. Hollywood's future is getting a tech upgrade with AI-generated actors taking center stage. But will they truly replace our beloved human stars? With cutting-edge technology, these digital actors are almost indistinguishable from the real deal. No more scheduling conflicts, no more tantrums, just pure, seamless performance. Think it's too futuristic? Think again. AI in entertainment is already here, and it's shaking up the movie industry like never before. Ready to see Hollywood's next big thing? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more AI-driven insights. Discover the future of entertainment with us at Discovery Depot YT.